Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have the Tank, the hybrid long life pad. This is our number one seller. They sell out fast, so ask for a rain check, and that's what it is. They can absorb heavy scratches. They don't wear out fast. They leave a phenomenal finish. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have the 5-inch Ultra Hybrid Pad. This is great for transitioning from metals to resins when doing edge grinding and polishing. This is wet and or dry. It has a phenomenal life. Can handle high speeds. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have Accuflex 15-minute concrete restore product. This is a high-tech 2-part urethane concrete repair product. Great for like hairline or larger cracks, spall, or pull out. After 15 minutes, this product's dry. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our premium double buttons in the 40 grit medium bonds with tapered edges for machines like Lavina's, Edco's, etc. And it's premium because look how much diamond content's in the tool. This will outgrind any other diamond for, that specific machine. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our top seller, the premium full bar cap cutters. This is a tool that's meant for super hard concrete surfaces. It leaves a very uniform scratch pattern. This will give you a medium cut, so like a 30-40 scratch pattern. Great wear rate. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have the Emperor Dip Buffing Pad. This is a diamond impregnated buffing pad. It's meant for concrete and natural stone. This will enhance the gloss levels without leaving any haze. Has a phenomenal wear rate. You can walk faster with this pad. Message me now.